what's going on. Just a quick review on the Dometic PLB40 we got from mygenerator.com.au. We have a Suzuki Jimny, so we wanted something lightweight, portable, and pretty compact. So we done some research and we found this bad boy. Then we done some shopping around, as you do, and we found that mygenerator.com.au was the best price by a fair amount, so pretty happy with that one. We went with those guys and here it is. What I like about it is that from 100% charge, you get about 2 days life out of the 55 litre fridge, give or take. Sometimes get more, sometimes get less, depending on ambient temperature, how cold we have this, how much you're opening and closing it and whatnot. But 2 days is generally a safe bet. We usually chuck the solar panel straight into this as soon as we get to camp, so it's happy days from there on out anyway. But yeah, mygenerator.com.au. Thanks heaps. Cheers guys.